In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize images for Webflow without killing quality. This is a crucial skill if you want to ensure your website runs smoothly and looks professional while maintaining optimal loading times. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Webflow website, which is a powerful tool for visually creating and managing your website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up. But let's assume you've already registered. Simply click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be taken to your Webflow dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Choose the project in which you want to optimize images. Just click on the project to open it. This will take you to the Webflow Designer, where you can edit and manage the different elements of your site. Now, it's time to select the image you want to optimize. Click on an image within your project. This might be part of your header, body, or gallery, wherever you need your images optimized. With your image selected, look over to the right side of your screen and click on the Style panel. Here is where Webflow's built-in image settings come into play. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to adjust your image dimensions directly within the platform, without having to switch to an external image editor. It's all about maintaining high quality while reducing load time, a critical factor for keeping your website visitors engaged. In the Style panel, you'll find a range of settings. Adjust the dimensions of your image according to how you want it displayed on your site. While resizing, be mindful of the aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Another important thing to consider is the format of your image. WebP and PNG formats are great for web use, offering a balance between quality and file size. However, if your image must maintain a transparent background, PNG will be the go-to. After adjusting the settings, save your changes. Webflow automatically optimizes images when you publish your site, compressing them to reduce load times further while maintaining their set quality as much as possible. And there you have it. Your images are now optimized for Webflow. They'll look great and will also ensure your website runs smoothly by not bogging it down with heavy files. Remember, regular optimization can significantly improve user experience, reduce bounce rates, and even help with SEO. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on mastering Webflow and other web development tools. Keep creating amazing websites, and I'll see you in the next video.